We visited the Scheidegger Waterfalls in Germany. Please consider subscribing and leave a like. And now enjoy the
So
video.
now we are here at the reptilian zoo, and then we go this way to the waterfalls.
So we are searching the waterfalls now. We didn't find them yet, but let's see.
Now we are here on the small waterfall, and we're gonna walk this path to the first big waterfall and then the second. Yeah, we don't know anything about it, but yeah, let's just see. Yeah, now it started to rain or to hagel, you know.
We are going into Märchenwald.
We really hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, just leave it down in the comments below. Please consider subscribing, leave a like, and we'll see us in the next video.